Hey guys, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. My name's Emma. Dad's over there.
Dad's over here.
Today we're just going to do a quick little garage video. We got a couple maintenance items we got to work on, a couple of different bikes we got to do some things, and we're just going to kind of bring you guys along with us and talk and have fun and be a family. So enjoy.
You did fine. Oh, let her... All right. So,
What are we working on? Is it just the seat?
The seat. So we can install the seat. Anyway, so when we received this was off, and the both the bolts were missing.
Okay.
So I went and bought bolts that I think are going to fit. So now we need to...
How much is this bike?
How much does it weigh? Or how much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
$3,200.
For $3,200, you'd think they'd have all the bolts.
It was supposed to, but the box was badly damaged. Something came loose during shipping.
It's fine. Things happen.
And we lost the bolts.
It's okay. Still a great company.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing that.
So
we
we're
need to
doing
stick the little...
So we're going to stick that up through the bottom. Go find 2 wrenches that match that size.
Stuff everywhere. This is why I want to get you a little more organized.
Yeah, I know. Somebody needs to organize me.
It's definitely smaller than that. That's just, what, 15? Probably 14, 15. Well, I'll say it's a little complicated doing it single-handed, but it's fine.
I got 2.
You got 2 already?
Yep.
Alright, well, that was useless.
I have a bigger selection of wrenches over here in the big toolbox. Are you going to be able to wiggle it in there?
I don't know. We'll find out. How does that...
Yeah.
Does it need to go from the bottom and then we can do...
Hold on. Ah! Let's slide this. Let's slide this all the way out. There you go. Now you got more room.
Oh, okay.
There. See that?
Yeah, just that a little bit. There we go. That'll... Ah! Okay.
There you go.
Okay, where's the other pieces?
Oh, I thought you had a washer and a nut. There's a washer. There's a nut.
Is the little washer go? Boop. And then another pan, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And the little nut goes. Boop. Okay. And now.
This is a ratchet wrench. Oh, I didn't know if you'd used those before. So one side is tightening, one side is loosening, so you got to flip it over because you want it to go righty-tighty, so that you want to use it that way.
Okay.
There you go. But now this one needs to hold the bottom. So, want me to hold the bottom one?
Yeah.
Just kind of turn.
Yeah, it's just turning.
And move your finger. Let me get in there. Okay, turn it a little bit. There we go. Yes, we still can't finish the project, which is what you were about to say. Because we're missing another bolt. Not only that, but if you look here, that's part way out.
Yeah.
So whoever assembled this
didn't
do a very good job assembling it.
Yeah,
Yeah, we might have something. I don't know. Oh, actually, you know what? The one that we just bought, I mean, I don't... Oh, wait a minute. Wait.
is it those?
Those are M5s. Those are too small. It's probably an M6, maybe an M7. I don't know if I have anything that big. That's all small stuff. If that goes in, I bet it doesn't. That's going to be too small, isn't it?
Probably. I think it's just more close to the other one we just had. Yeah, it's too small.
Oh, what's that in my bag of nuts over here? Long enough. It looks like it might be thick enough, but isn't long enough.
I almost broke my ankle again.
Oh, don't do that.
Okay, I think this one might work. It's going in more now.
Hello?
So how we're gonna...
Oh, crikey. Yeah, I see what you're saying. So you can't get that on there.
Not fully, not all the way.
Oh, it's got to go all the way, so take that
Unless-
back off. And let's try.
Okay, I'm just losing your sockets everywhere, apparently.
That's okay. That one just falls off. It doesn't attach too well.
Okay.
Go ahead and take this one back off.
I mean, I can do this.
Yeah, you never get it on there tight enough.
But I can try.
It'd be better if we got the right one.
Right one what?
The right screw or bolt.
Is this not the right? Oh, well, I guess, yeah, it's technically not.
All right, you keep going. You might get it. I'll go down the road and my seat fall off, then I'm coming after you.
Okay.
Put it on there again.
There we go. See, now we're thinking with all of our brain cells. There we go. Are we getting this? Okay.
Reposition.
You got the camera recording, and I'm not going to be able to do it right. All right, next biggest concern with the seat. Is it recording?
Yes.
Can you see me?
No.
Why does it have abs?
It does look like it has abs.
It looks like it has abs.
I don't
Freaking
know.
seat's got a six-pack.
I don't know, Emma. I don't know. Okay.
All right, roll that out here.
Let's
be 25, 30 pounds.
I know that's a heavy seat.
Excuse me, Tobers.
So that's kind of dangerous reach there for you. I wasn't sure what you were trying to do.
I don't know what I was trying to do either. I'm just trying to
Holy
get it going.
smokes, that's a massive seat. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to like that.
Who was the guy that didn't like that one? Was it Daniel? William?
Daniel Becker? Was it Daniel Becker?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. He didn't
Well,
like
Daniel's really not going
that.
to
He's
like
not going
this.
to like this at all.
At least this one's got some cushion on it. Cushion for your tushin.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, I like it. It's just seeing it on the trike now, that's pretty massive.
Especially since you can't like push it back or anything. I mean, you can, but like
you can adjust it.
this is as far as back as it goes.
Because
of
this. The basket. The basket needs
and
to
like
be
I
shifted.
know it's not like
Careful, it's not bolted.
I know it's not bolted.
Like I said. You're gonna slide off. You're gonna slide. Careful, get up. Careful, get up. Get up.
Remember when you said careful? But like that would be a struggle for me to do. I don't know how you're going to ride that with your long little Larry legs.
They sent it to us. We're gonna figure it out. So the black bolts and nuts that are on the table right there, find wrenches that match those because that's what we need to attach this.
Where's the hole?
Way back here.
Oh, hold on. Way back there.
There's no way to attach this thing.
How? It doesn't even.
The holes don't line up. I mean, we gotta be able to get to.
Oh, it's because the basket. There's no way to put it on because of the basket. Because, like you said, the hole's way back here,
The hole's way here.
and then the hole up front is a little. You can't even see it, but on camera. But
So
yeah.
look at that.
Oh, there's not even a nut on this one. There's not a nut on these two.
Oh no! No! We don't have to take those off.
Oh.
Leave those. Just take those two off.
I can't tell what's what.
All right. Yeah, it's tightening up.
Yeah. And have it. Okay, so
So it does
realistically,
fit.
you
It
could
does
fit
fit.
it, but look how forward you have to have the seat in order for it to fit.
Yeah. Let me chest it out. You want to take the basket off so it doesn't fall?
Yeah.
Now, being that I'm 6'1", can I ride this? I mean, I can, but it's not
It's
comfortable.
not comfortable. It's not great. So if you're tall or larger, you're not going to be able to use the basket
Because you would want to be able to put your seat
further back.
way back here, which is
And you
where it
can't
needs
do
to be.
both.
See, because you can't do both. This is pretty comfortable right here
Yeah.
now. This might be a little high.
Now, what they could do, I don't know how this would work. This could maybe be a good idea to bring up to them. Again, I don't know these things. You maybe know better. I don't have the engineer mindset. But what if, to solve that problem, since obviously you can't attach it to the actual bike itself, what if, since this was an add-on, right? The seat specifically was an add-on.
Yeah.
So in order to solve that problem, what if, since you have the backrest here, and it's fairly sturdy, granted, it looks like it's adjustable, so that could be the only problem. What if they got like a little basket? Dang gum, that's kind of nice.
Just a smaller basket for back there?
But yeah, and like, or something, just so you can like have the option to like attach it here.
Yeah. Something needs to happen because
that way, if you're sitting, you know, all the way back.
All the way back.
Obviously, you can't have the basket there, but you could still have something attached to here that hangs out a little bit.
Yeah.
So you could have something.
Obviously
not that big. Or maybe like design extenders or something to come at
something to
either attach here or extenders or something, which I feel like
but that
if you did the extenders, that would not make it very sturdy.
Yeah, it wouldn't be very
so
strong.
That's why I'm saying, like, if you could find a way of, like, obviously not this big, but if they designed it so it could be attachable there, and then you could have a bracket that you could attach to, like, up here, so that it did make it stronger or something.
And this basket would just be sitting up a little taller.
Yeah. Or a smaller version of said basket could be a good idea to, you know.
A smaller version of the basket?
Yeah, something like that.
Like something like this?
Yeah.
But the holes don't line up.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. The holes don't line up, but that's what I was saying, attaching it to maybe this or something like that. I don't know. Because that does kind of suck, because, like, a lot of people, kind of like we were discussing with the Q&A video, a lot of people use trikes for riding around, transporting stuff, you know, and
the next option,
you can't do that with
not
this.
A great option. The next option is, I think they're planning on making a trailer, because this does have a trailer attachment down here, so you could attach a trailer. So if you need to go grocery shopping, but now you're talking about adding a big old trailer out here too, and a lot of people
it's already
don't want
a pretty big bike.
They just want something small to throw a purse in, or a small bag or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know. So let's get back to the seat itself. The seat itself, pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
As I'm sitting out here in my socks with no shoes. It's adjustable, so you can certainly slide it way forward, and if it's all the way up, you can attach the basket. Then you could attach the basket.
Yes, then you could attach the basket.
But because of that, this seat sits lower.
Yeah.
And it's not adjustable up and down like the regular saddle is. The regular saddle was adjustable up and down. And being a taller person, I was allowed to stick it up a little taller, which gave me a little further away from the pedals, and it worked out great. But this, you sit lower, which is kind of nice, I guess. But that doesn't work for me for trying to get a decent pedal out of this thing.
No.
And I'm going to say, at 6'1", I mean, even if you're like 5'10" or something, you're probably going to say, man, that's too close.
You're going to want to have it.
It's going to have to be back here somewhere. Yeah. And if it's back here, you absolutely cannot use the basket. I mean,
even with it being further back like that, because the seat is so low, look how high your knees are going. I mean, they're going above your like hip line.
Yeah.
So
it would have been better
to have the seat a little bit higher.
Maybe the seat needs to be.
I mean, I know that's one of the things that we liked with the Meat one, though, is it makes it sturdier because it's not so top heavy. But
yeah.
So I guess pick and choose, you know.
I'm just wondering if you raise the seat up a little bit, there might be a way then to try to finagle that basket to get the basket on there. I would prefer to be up a little taller.
Yeah.
But for someone who has disabilities, okay, you have armrests are, well, I'm tall, but the armrests are a little low. Yeah. They're a little close together, too. I'm a little wider person, so.
What I kind of like is that it's got like the little seat back lever, so you can lean the seat back.
You mean like this?
And you can ride around like all the gangsters used to do in their little.
I could take a nap if I needed to. I could take a nap.
Maybe if you had the brakes on.
Oh, I could stretch my legs out. I could get the sun. I need something for my head. Oh yeah. Woo. I don't know. I don't know. Kind of different. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a nice feature. So if you don't want it to be too far
Super
forward,
straight, you know, if you have back problems
yeah,
or something like that.
yeah, you can
or,
adjust it just slightly to get yourself a little bit of different support.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Great trike. I just think the add-ons need to be maybe thought out a little bit better.
Fine-tuned.
Yeah.
Yeah, that needs to be fine-tuned. At this point, I mean, the seat works if you're a smaller person, not a taller person, and if you're okay with not using your basket. Okay, Emma, what do you think about the new seat?
It's very comfortable. Very, very, very comfortable. I kind of like that. It's got a lot of cushion for it, which is great for people that have maybe back problems or booty problems or whatever else, hip problems, like you who's had a hip surgery. The only thing that I don't love about it is that if someone does have like mobility problems and they struggle maybe getting on or off or something like that, you can't put a whole lot of weight.
Oh, you can't put a lot of pressure on that because
No.
it just, the whole thing
just pushing. I mean, look at this one. This whole thing's going down. They're not very sturdy.
Yeah.
And I'm only 150 pounds. So if someone a little bit bigger like you, taller, something,
you wouldn't be able to use that for support.
Put a whole bunch of weight to.
You wouldn't be able to use that for support.
You
for
would
sure.
not be able to use that at all.
Yeah.
So that would be my only other thing is, I know it's not necessarily what it's designed for, but it's a thought because a lot of people are buying trikes that have, like we discussed earlier, certain mobility issues or whatever, and...
How tall are you?
5'4".
5'4". So 5'4", that seat is in the back, all the way back position, right? Can you move it to the forward position?
Probably. Just gotta find the lever. All the way forward?
All the way forward.
Okay, I think that's all the way forward.
All the way forward, we could still have the basket attached. And all the way forward, you still bend your knees a whole lot.
A lot. Well, that's what I was saying with you, too. Yeah, I mean, they go...
Yeah, so that's 5'4". So,
and the other thing I was noticing, too, is having it... Did you have it all the way back? Or did you have it partially away?
I'm not sure if it was all the way or not.
Okay, well, having it, like, all the way back, like, as somewhat just thoughts for people that are, like, my size, you can't pedal it. My foot's, like, coming off.
Oh,
so you cannot, you could not have it, like, extended all the way back.
Yeah, you'd have to bring the seat back forward.
You would have to have it forward.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
So at 5'4", you could have it probably in the middle somewhere. You'd still be able to reach your pedals.
I could maybe do that somewhat comfortably. I would probably still want to have it a little bit closer.
But it still doesn't give you enough room
to have any kind of basket.
To have your basket. That's a bummer.
And your knees still go really high, which is fine. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then it'd be fine for you.
So.
Let's wrap up this video.
Okay.
Close it out.
Me? You close it out.